Okay, so what we'll do is we will find out how to use one of the aggregate functions in Neo4J named max function. So what we'll do is open command prompt, type in Neo4J console. Okay, that should start our server on port 7474. You can directly go there if you already have one background service running. So in my case, I'm going directly there. So here's my query editor. Okay, and here we are going to create few nodes. Okay, so let me show you. First, my node would be marketing node, which will have label employee, and it will have a name, let's say Dan. Okay, now let's set the salary to 5500 or any other name number that you have in mind, and then also set the year. Let's see if I set the year to 2021, and let's add another node. Let's go with Salesforce team. So we add Salesforce, then employee, and we will add, let's say, another user. Okay, and let's add their salary as well. Okay, along with the year. So let's see 2021. Okay, and then we will add this into our database. So here you see we added 2 nodes with 2 labels and 6 properties, 3 each. Okay, now what we will do is we will create another query named match, and we will try to get our label employee from those nodes where we want it to show the maximum salary between the two. So return, so let's see max n dot salary. Okay, and here we will simply hit run. Okay, and you can see in our query that we added here, we had Dan with salary 5500, so his salary will be returned as max salary. So you get the idea how to use max function to get a particular maximum value out of the properties that you assign to the node.